Yes, it's another day to push. Yes, another to push. SM Gimlani Plumbers, your oil there when you're in need of generators. Your problem is the power. We have all types of generators, both in big sizes and small sizes. This is Robin, Power Robin. It's a good brand. It has a good warranty. It's 40 kV. So we have other sizes, small sizes. We do have silent. We have this is a 10 kV generator, very silent at an affordable price. So we have water pumps. Just have to tell us the distance you want to push water, and then we see what you can offer you. We are in NDEEBA, opposite Joy Medical Center and opposite the TV Center in NDEEBA. We have our solar pumps. As you can see, by the way, we have all sorts of solar panels. For example, all these are solar panels. We have 250, 300, 400, 500. You have all. So we are kindly requesting for your support. All generators have all brands. See? We have all water pumps, diesel, petrol, and something unique I'm going to show you. We have solar pumps which are so effective and so perfect. You see right now, it's a very early morning, but I can assure you our solar pump is performing. It is performing very early in the morning. I think it's around 9, if not 8. I'll have to check. But our pump is performing very well. Yeah, we are SMG manipulating. This is called the controller of our solar pump. We are in NDEEBA, opposite Joy Medical Center. That's Joy Medical Center. Yes. Opposite, this is SMG Modern Plumbers. Then this side we have that's SMG Modern Plumbers. That one you're seeing. Then TV Center is there. Yeah. So this is NDEEBA. You find us, you come for our services. We do oil drilling, irrigation work. Muje. Yes, irrigation works, water pumps, solar, electric, water drilling, shallow wells, irrigation works. Yeah. Find us on 0705 21 2308 or at our YouTube channel, SM Gimlani Plumbers.